Dumelang sanwanani Kgosana, Kganyale lesedi. Greetings over the diaspora to those that do not speak the languages that we speak. Welcome back to the isiZulu version of our chant of the sacred names of Heru. Welcome back to those who've been here and those who are new here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and welcome to all spiritual G's. Please start by subscribing if this is content that resonates with you. Please like, please share, please engage with us in the comment section. So we have done the Medu Nature version, we have done the Sesotho version, and now we are doing the isiZulu version of the chant of the sacred names. This was a request, and as covered on the Sesotho version, I did explain as to why we do the chants, right? How we use the chants, when do we use the chants, and yeah, so please go check out our other intro episodes that we did regarding Heru. But one thing that I think I did not cover nicely was the times, right? When do we use this, and yeah, how do we go about it? So I will just give an example from my own personal life. So when I used to towards a go-go gang very hard, we would literally every 12 o'clock, every 6 o'clock, we would gather, even though it would be electronically. So we would gather and just retse mopahlo, and by mopahlo, this is us now calling all the zodiac houses that we spoke of, which is the energies in creation, right? The netters, we would call all of those, and it depends on what time of year we are in, and are we fasting, are we during a fast, or is this just a daily occurrence? So the idea was to get it to a place where we are doing this thing in unison, right? We are doing it for hashtag Black Unity, right? Because that is another leg of ours that is very taking as a people. You know, we don't have unity in anything except for the things of lower vibrations, the things that we are now needing to be ascending from and into our higher consciousness, our Heru state, our ascension state, our mastery state, our God state, higher consciousness things. So without wasting any more time, so you can do it either come somewhere, but because towards a go gang and I would sometimes be traveling, sometimes we would stop, sometimes repasha in the car. So you don't have to do it as a gathering, because I know we are all just still remembering ourselves and gathering ourselves. So whenever you are engaging, go your sacred place, you can maybe open up with this, or you can seal it up with this, right, before you connect with your people. Because the logic, or my understanding, let me not say logic, so my understanding of this is, now we are inviting the netters, which is now the higher powers, the energies that are governing whatever it is would be happening at that specific time, right? So so sort of also a protection, a cleanser, and all of that. So you'd invite aramasedi amvelinqangi angwedi, or if you just want to focus on the energy, or work with the deity that we currently in, work with the energy that we currently in, like we are in now. So you can chant the names of just Heru before you go into your prayer, or mpahlo wa hao, or connecting with your people. Okay, so without wasting any more time, I think I gave enough information in both episodes, right? Okay, so let us get into the litany or mpahlo, and it is as follows. Wena Khosi oluthandekayo oluqhamuka ezinzulwini zomhlaba, Nkosi yesikhukhula ngenze ngiphile, ungumoya waseningizimu, uJehuti ngumoya wasenyakatho. Wena omdala kunabo bonke, iza eThephe endlini yakho engcwele. Wena omncane kunabo bonke, iza ePer Asa, lapho wazalelwa khona. And also again, we would seal it with Dua Heru, Dua Heru, Dua Nkosana, Dua Nkosana. Alternatively, Heru, Heru, Nkosana, Nkosana, or to put more emphasis in it, you can say Bayede Heru, Bayede Heru, Bayede Heru. And I'm emphasizing Heru. We're going to also see now in the next season that we're going to be going into about names, right? So I know there's Dumang. Shout out to Dumang. I remember he shared something so important on when we're tracing like etymologies of the word. So when you see the falcon flapping its wings, right? So there's that sound that gets made. So maybe it is from there because it goes ru, ru, ru. So it might be from there. So that's a cute little FYI. But yeah, we're gonna expand more when we get into our season of Oset. So let us get into the sacred names, the chanting of the sacred names of Heru or isiZulu. So we're gonna go Major Nature and then the Nguni and then I will seal it off by just doing the isiZulu on its own. So itakazelo ziti Heru hekenu Heru let's start again. Heru hekenu Heru ndodana kaBastet, Heru behutet, Heru wezulu laseningizimu, Herismatawi, Heru mhlanganisi wamazwe amabili, Heru akuti, Heru nkosi yeminqamlezwe emibili, Heru nub, Heru oligolide owanqoba uSet, Heru an mutef, Heru ndodana kaNomkhubulwane, Heru merti, Heru wamehlo amabili inyanga nelanga, Ihi ntandokazi kaHether, Heru pakart, Heru othulile ngane ebusisekile, Heru shu pakart, Heru omkhulu ndodana ndlalifa kaShu, Heru ra pakart, Heru ndodana kaRa umvelinqangi, Heru henu, Heru olukhozi, Heru kent peru, Heru nkosi yezulu, Heru sa Oset, Heru ndodana ga Oset, Heru sa asa, Heru ndodana ga asa. So that was the Meju nature, which is the sacred language, the language of God, the divine language, divinity language of the Netters. And then now we're just gonna go through it again in just the isiZulu version. Itakazelo zika Heru zika Nkosana ziti Heru ndodana kaBastet, Heru wezulu laseningizimu, Heru mhlanganisi wamazwe amabili, Heru nkosi yeminqamlezwe emibili, Heru oligolide owanqoba uSet, Heru ndodana kaNomkhubulwane, Heru wamehlo amabili inyanga nelanga, ntandokazi kaHetheru, Heru othulile ngane ebusisekile, Heru omkhulu ndodana ndlalifa kaShu, Heru ndodana kaRa umvelinqangi, Heru olukhozi, Heru nkosi yezulu, Heru ndodana kaOset, Heru ndodana ka-Asa. And again, you can choose to seal it off with Dua Heru, Dua Heru, Dua Heru, Dua Nkosana, Dua Nkosana, Dua Kgosana, Dua Kgosana. Or because we were chanting the sacred names, you can seal it as is, or you can seal it by saying or chanting the sacred names of the 12 netters that go through our zodiac circle, the Dendera zodiac. Thokozani Khanyalele Sedi, thank you so much for making it this far. And those are the Bantu languages that I am sort of fluent in. And I will see you on the next episode. It should be our Setswana live session. We'll be having Le Kgosi Kgadiki Tumetse, my Gogo friend, and the next one should be a Heru episode. I'm very excited about that one, and I will be preparing and hopefully no glitches that will be coming. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy today, Anka and Ma'at.